Hello, Glamettes. Welcome back to Glam Queen of DIY, and if you're new, welcome. Now, today's video is a sponsored Rose Forever Rose Box. Now, if that sounds like something you'll be interested in checking out, make sure you stay tuned. Please don't forget, family, to like the video, subscribe to this channel, and turn on your post notifications. Let's get right into this review.
Guys, this portion of the video is sponsored by Rose Forever. They reached out to me, and my package came like this, you guys, and I've worked with them before. Please make sure you do check out my description box down below. All of the information will be down there along with what I actually ordered as well. And once again, my package came like this. Now let me tell you a little bit about Rose Forever. They are a New York-based company, and they do handcrafted, vegan-free, allergen-free, natural oil roses that last for 1 year. For this one, if you recall, I'm going to drop the link for the last video for the Rose Forever. But for this one, I ordered that acrylic case. Here are my roses out of the box. I'm just do a whole panorama view of the box for you. It's just completely clear acrylic case. It does has that Rose Forever New York labeling on the top. And you guys, this is actually a universal box, or you can use the box for something else as well. It has a drawer on the bottom that actually comes out, that you can put it back in, that you can store things in. But now, Rose Forever New York, they do handcrafted, vegan-free, allergen-free, natural oil roses that last forever. Now look at the details of those roses. And this is that 16-piece rose in that rose box. Look at that, you guys. They smell amazing. You guys, the smell does last for a full year. You guys, the roses are light like they're real roses. This is what they feel like. Now, Rose Forever brings a unique style of luxury, elegance, and they provide a superior quality, you guys, to these gorgeous roses in a box for any occasion. You can use these boxes for any occasion. You can give them as gifts. You can use them personally. And they do look gorgeous sitting in a space, and they smell great as well. Now, Rose Forever approach to these roses is, they say they handcraft masterpiece creations, and they really do. And their philosophy is every detail counts. And like I say, from the detailing of the box to the roses. Get that out. Now from the detailing, once again, from the box to the roses, details does always make a difference. And look at that. They so evenly placed, they just look beautiful. They are a beautiful piece to add in your decor. And if you love decor and the aesthetics of the decor, their pieces adds to your decor, not take away from. And their commitment is only the best is good enough. And I do think they always nail that. So with that being said, you guys, please make sure you do check my description box for the information for this particular acrylic black rose box, and they do have them in different colors. I just chose the black. But make sure you check that information. Rose Forever link is down in my description as well, along with that previous video that I did do with the different style of the box. The other one's the black velvet as well. But make sure you do check them out. And thank you once again, Rose Forever, for reaching out to me for this video, you guys. Make sure you click that link so you can receive a small discount, you guys, toward you a collection from Rose Forever. Alright, you guys, you have a wonderful day. Now, if you've been rocking with your girl for a while, you know I can't close out without letting you know to always be positive so you can remain productive and stay positioned to make your next move your best move. I'll see everyone of you in another upcoming video. Bye everyone, stay blessed and always stay positive.
And to you guys, this is what it looks like styled in my master bedroom. I can't show you a full view because we got a room tour coming with the space, but it's just sitting here, you guys, and I'm gonna let you look at it from a different angle. And two, if you're still watching and you're not a part of the Glam Queen of DIY family, do hit that subscribe button. Tap the bell twice, it'll turn blue, and you'll know every time that I am uploading a video. Make sure you do check out that Rose Forever link down in the description box, along with my other affiliate links as well. Now, if you're not part of all of the Glam Queen branded channels, I have dropped those links in the description. Make sure you check out the Glam Queen of DIY, the Glam Queen of Decor, and Glam Queen Unboxing and Glam Queen Vlogs. We would love to have you a part of this royal glam family. Make sure you hit that link, and make sure you go over and take a look at Rose Forever website and find you some marvelous pieces that you can use for yourself or gift them out during this holiday season.